As you can see, every trade I had made until now was a profit trade, and I made more than 50% of my starting balance in just 1 month. Yes, this is the put credit spreads, and I am sharing with you everything I am doing, and every day I am posting videos on YouTube, so you can see everything I am doing day after day. And now the market opened for today, and as you can see, this is the price of SPY just right now, and this is the put credit spreads that I had sold yesterday, and we got from it $77 in a premium. So if I want to close it right now, I need to buy to close, and if I choose the market price, I need to pay, let's see, $70, so that will make us about $7 in profit. And of course I will not do that because I need at least 50% of a profit, so I will give it more time, because when we give it more time, it will become cheaper to buy. And if I want to roll it to make more money, let's see how much money I will get. I will get $21 in credit if I just roll it, and I am going to wait, and I will see what will happen in the end of this trading day. And this is the end of this trading day. As you can see, the price of SPY has gone up, and now it's $741. And if I want to close this put credit spreads that I had sold yesterday and I got from it $77, I need to pay right now $49, and that will give us about, let's say, $27 in profit. I need more than that because at least I need $40, so I can make 50% of it. So I will give it more time, and I will be patient, because every day passes, the put credit spreads become cheaper and I can make more money of it. And if anything goes wrong, I just can roll it. So this is the beautiful thing about put credit spreads. Please like and subscribe.